The Modal Assurance Criterion, or MAC, is a method for quantitatively determining how similar or correlated two mode shapes are to one another. To view the MAC display, use the menu and select View MAC, or use the view bar and select MAC. The MAC display is made up of rows of modes from one project versus columns of modes from the same or a different project in the workspace. The corresponding cell or bar indicates the level of similarity between 0 and 1. The higher the value, the more similar the modes. The mode shapes are as defined by the modal parameters in the frequency results table for each project. The mode selection window can be used to determine which modes to compare. The default is all modes, but when there are many, it can be useful to narrow the selection. The DOF selection window can be used to compare modes in a specific direction or to exclude parts of the structure where a mode is localized. Here we have two modes that look similar, although the grid axis highlights a difference along the y-axis. On initial inspection, the MAC display does not show a correlation. However, most of the motion is in the z direction, and if we exclude the x and y direction from the calculation, the MAC display more closely matches our assumptions. By default, the rows and columns both list modes from the master project, i.e. the MAC display is for a single project. Using the Setup window, any project from the workspace can be assigned to the rows or columns. The MAC display can be rotated to view from any angle, and displayed in table mode. The display can also be customized to your preferences. For further information on our wide range of vibration control, data acquisition and analysis products, please visit our website at www.spectraldynamics.com.